Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something potentially life-changing. We're talking about AI, but not just the tech itself. We're going to break down how you can actually use it to make some serious cash this year. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore, it's a powerful tool anyone can use to boost their income. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's get started.
First up, let's talk about content creation. Churning out high-quality articles, social media posts, or even scripts can be a grind. That's where AI swoops in with a cape and a keyboard. Tools like GPT-3 are like having a super-powered writing assistant. You feed them some keywords, and boom, they generate coherent, engaging content in seconds. Whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or just need to write killer emails, AI-powered content creation can seriously up your game and your income.
Now, let's talk about something that gets everyone's attention. Money. Specifically, making money in the stock market. AI algorithms are like the Wall Street analysts you see in movies, except they work 24/7, analyzing market trends and identifying potentially lucrative opportunities. They can process massive amounts of data in real time, something no human could ever do. This means you can use AI-powered platforms to get personalized investment recommendations based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. But remember, folks, always do your research and invest responsibly.
Next up, let's dive into the world of e-commerce. Online shopping is booming, and AI is playing a huge role in making it even more personalized and efficient. By analyzing customer data, AI can recommend products they're actually interested in, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. AI can also help you optimize your pricing, manage your inventory, and even personalize your marketing campaigns. So whether you're running a small online shop or a large e-commerce empire, AI can help you streamline your operations and increase sales. Talk about working smarter, not harder.
We've all been there, stuck on hold, endlessly navigating a phone menu just trying to get a simple question answered. Well, AI is here to save the day and your sanity with AI-powered customer service. Think chatbots and virtual assistants available 24/7 to answer customer queries, track orders, and provide instant support. No more waiting on hold, no more frustrated customers. It's a win-win. These AI-powered assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, understanding natural language, and even anticipating customer needs. So if you're looking to improve your customer service and boost efficiency, AI-powered customer service is definitely worth exploring.
Okay, let's get serious for a minute and talk about healthcare. AI is poised to revolutionize the healthcare industry, making it more accessible, affordable, and effective. We're talking AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases at earlier stages, personalized treatment plans based on your unique genetic makeup, and even robots assisting in surgeries. Telemedicine is another area where AI is making a huge impact, allowing doctors to consult with patients remotely and provide care to underserved communities. While there are still ethical and regulatory hurdles to overcome, the potential of AI in healthcare is undeniable.
Let's face it, managing personal finances can be a headache. Budgeting, saving, investing. It's a lot to juggle. But guess what? AI can lend a helping hand here too. Think of AI-powered budgeting apps that track your spending, categorize transactions, and even help you set financial goals. They can analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can save, putting you in the driver's seat of your financial future. So if you're ready to take control of your finances, make smarter financial decisions, and maybe even achieve that financial freedom you've been dreaming of, AI can be your secret weapon.
Last but not least, let's talk about real estate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just thinking about buying your first property, AI can give you an edge in the market. AI-powered platforms can analyze market trends, predict property values, and even identify undervalued properties. These platforms can also streamline the entire buying and selling process, from finding properties to closing deals. So if you're looking to make smarter real estate decisions, maximize your returns. and navigate the market with confidence, AI can be your secret weapon in the world of bricks and mortar.
So, there you have it. 7 incredible ways AI can help you generate income and level up your financial game this year. From writing killer content to making smart investments, AI is transforming the way we work and earn money. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to leverage these tools. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.